grandparents in Jersey. I mean, in Bayonne. Whoa, what's that? We'll take it out afterwards. Here, this is also from them. We'll take that out after. Come on. No. No, over here. Hey. Stop trying to play with the other toys. Open. Look. What's this? Help me. Help me. What is this? What is that? Turn around. Turn around. Look at the doggy. Hold on. Let's turn it on. I see something? The doggy does stuff. Hold on. Give me a second. How the heck did your grandfather turn this thing on? I'm looking for it.
We'll figure it out, baby.
Huh?
Later. We'll figure it out later.
No, I'm trying to put it back in there so he doesn't grab it.